Good morning, class.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you today?
We're fine.
Okay, very good. So may I request everyone to please stand. And James, can you lead the prayer? Okay, class, you may now take your seat. Class, who are absent today?
None, ma'am.
Okay, very good. So before we start our proper discussion, I have here a picture. Who can guess what is our topic for this morning? Here is
Ma'am.
the picture. Okay, what is your answer?
Planet Earth?
Best try. Another. What is this all about? Okay,
World Geography, ma'am.
great. Our topic for this morning is all about world geography. But before that, here is my objectives. At the end of the lesson, 60% of the student will be able to define the meaning of geography, explain the importance of studying geography, and last, determine the similarities and differences of the various types of geography. Before we proceed to our proper discussion, I have here an activity. The class will be divided into two, one group for female and one group for male. And choose one representative of your every groups. Then your representative will be the one who present your answer here in front. So here is my question. What is the best tourist spot here in the Philippines? Okay. Thank you. Okay, class, our topic for this morning is all about the world geography. So when we say geography, from the Greek words geo means earth and geographins means to write. Geography is the study of the earth and everything that goes on it. Like what you see in your surroundings is on geography. Like the buildings, like or any kinds that you can see in your community is under the world geography. So here are the different kinds of geography. First, the physical geography. When we say physical geography, it talks about the physical characteristics of environment. Like what I have said earlier, that what you can see in your surroundings, it is under the physical geography. Like any kinds of buildings, infrastructures, roads, or any beautiful locations that you can see in your surroundings, it is under the physical geography. So the one or a expert that's studying that certain beautiful natures that you can find in your surroundings is under the physical geography. And the second type of world geography is the human and cultural geography. So, from the word itself, human talks about us, the people who live here in the earth. And cultural are norms or the practices that we have here in the earth, in the surface of the earth, right? Okay. It is said that human groups in our activities. Okay. When we say human groups in our activity, it talks about us, the people, the human, the one who live here in the earth. Like for example, human groups. What are the commonly human groups that you can see in your community or in your society? Like for example, human groups like your religion, it considered as a human group since you are sharing a common practices or belief in your religion and talking about your activities, like what have you done in your church or any activities that you have done in your barangays or any different kinds of activities that you are participated on it. It may consider as the human and cultural geography. So it is a big help that this geography to study that certain issue because in order to know the effect or impact and the problems that we face in the earth or in a certain country. The last one is cartography. Okay. All kinds of mapping. Example, Geographic Information System or GIS. All kinds of mapping. Did you see a globe kind mapping or a flat mapping?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, that commonly sees saw a different and country, different locations in a big oceans that we see on the map. Okay, that study is also called cartography. So why this geography is very important in order why it is important? In order for us to know how beautiful our country that we live in. Right? Okay. I have here an activity. Wait. Again, I will divide the class into two and select another representative to answer here in front because we're going to have a word puzzle on me. Okay. It is the Joey is planting trees. Okay. Where does the a types of geography that Joey is planting trees? Okay. What is the answer?
Physical geography.
No, another try.
Human and cultural
Yes, the answer is
geography.
human and cultural. Since it talks about what is our activity here in the surface of the earth, right? So human groups in our activities. So here, oceans and seas are beautiful.
Physical geography.
Okay, the answer is physical geography since it talks about the physical characteristics in our environment and what we see. Okay, very good class. I hope you've learned something and our class is dismissed.
Yay!